Whoa, this is the R5. It looks so good. Okay. Hi everybody, Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm coming at you with the new Canon R5. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna see a quality change. I'm videoing this on an R5 with an RF50 lens. It's beautiful. This is my favorite camera to date that I've ever shot. And today I just want to show you guys a little unboxing so you can see what's in it. We already opened it. We've been shooting since last fall with it. We ordered them, we pre-ordered them, and it took them, gosh, it took months for it to actually show up on our doorstep. So we're so glad we have them. So first and foremost is the camera body. Look at this bad boy. This camera is beautiful. It has this really incredible flip out screen. I use it for weddings and I love it. You'll see a couple features that are different. The joystick up here, it's definitely smaller than the Mark IV that we were shooting with. I love this hand grip, so really, really awesome. The electronic viewfinder is another one of my favorite features, but this did not come with it. This actually I put on. This goes with my my camera holder, my Moneymaker Hold Fast Moneymaker. They're awesome. If you've never used them, they're great. I shoot dual camera. So I actually shoot with two of these. I'm gonna turn this off for a second. My computer's beeping, making noises. The R5 is beautiful. This comes obviously in the box. What doesn't come in the box that I actually have on this one is the Control Ring EF adapter. This is great. This runs about $200. This is what converts all of your EF lenses to be able to shoot with your R5. So like I said, I am a wedding photographer. We do have a film team. I've heard a lot of photographers wonder whether or not they should get the R6 or the R5. We splurged, we did the R5. I'm so glad we did the R5. Patrick does all the research. He's my husband and my business partner. We shoot all the weddings together. He did all the research really for whether or not to do the R6 or the R5. And so we just figured, because we're gonna be making YouTube videos, because we have a film team, it just made sense for us to go ahead and get the R5s. So with that said, the Control Ring's really awesome. This little guy allows you to actually change and set whatever you want as far as control goes. So we have it set to our Kelvin. All day long, Patrick and I can match our Kelvin, which is really nice. But you can make this your aperture. You can also make this your shutter. I don't know what else you can do with it, but I know you can do those three, and we use it for our white balance, which is a game changer, especially with the electronic viewfinder. So when you look through this bad boy, and you're changing all of your settings, we shoot manual. We literally can see what we're photographing in camera. We click it and that's the photo that the camera takes. So that is really awesome. Other than that, what comes in camera is one of the new Canon batteries, the LPs. These are a little bit different than the ones that came with your Mark IV. They can hold the basically more power for the R5, which we love. Oh, you also can use your Mark IV batteries with this, but the charge doesn't, it's not as long as the battery life on this guy. You do get a manual, so a manual comes with it. I always keep one of these with me on wedding days just because it's a new camera. If something happens or I want to try something and I don't want to like be there on my phone looking it up, I can quickly hop to it in the manual. So that's great. It comes in English, Spanish, and Francais. So we normally get rid of these or just keep them in the box until we resell the cameras, but like I said, I keep one with me on wedding days. It does come with the camera strap. We don't use the camera straps because we always use our Hold Fast Moneymakers, our dual strap. We shoot dual camera as well, like I said. It does come with a USB Type-C adapter, and I think there's like a little converter in here too. Actually, let's go ahead. I'm unboxing anyway, may as well show you. So it comes with the USB Type-C, what's this called? Cord. So definitely want you guys, you can use that for converting with audio stuff and information like computer to computer. So I have the new MacBook, so I can easily connect my camera to my new MacBook Pro. And then this, I always forget what these little things do. I never use them. Okay. Other than that, I think that is all that came in the box, you guys. But we love it. We absolutely love our new R5s. If Patrick was here, he would tell you it was worth every single penny. It was worth every single penny. I think my favorite features, like I said, are the electronic viewfinder, the flip out screen, which I think is pretty awesome. In camera, it has this thing called eye detection. So you literally can like put it on. So if you're a wedding photographer watching this, it's like a game changer when it comes to portraits, family portraits, and like anything ceremony, even dancing, reception, because it focuses on the eye if you want it to. You can turn it on and off. I leave it on pretty much all day because it also has this thing called screen drag. So when you're looking through, you can literally like put your hand, like put your finger on the screen as you're looking through it and drag where you want the focus. And that is like so awesome. So anyway, it's really great. We love it. We love the R5s. If you're on the fence about it, comment below. Happy to answer any questions about it. We've been shooting with it for gosh, it will be a year this summer, or like, I guess in July. I think we got them in July. I think we pre-ordered in April or May, and they finally came to our doorstep in July or August. But we've already shot everything since last fall. We've shot everything. Weddings, engagement sessions. We took them to Cancun, Mexico for a destination wedding, and you can find those pictures below, also on our blog. But thanks so much, you guys. Hope this was helpful. Especially if you're a wedding photographer in 2021, the R5 is awesome.